y'all, how's it going? My name is Katie and welcome to another geocaching adventure. Today I am gonna go ride my bike around and just find some geocaches that have been, they're super close to me and I've been needing to find them, and it's a nice day. I have a helmet and it has a GoPro on it, so I won't have to fall off my bike to try and get some shots. I took a little break to take a time lapse. I think I'm about half a mile away from the next geocache. Sorry it's so loud. Do I look suspicious? I found the cache. It's in the middle of a neighborhood, so I'm trying to be discreet. I'm walking to the next one. It's at this park. It's so cute. There's a couple other ones in this area that I want to go find too. I think it's in this park, but like another section of it, so. I was walking towards the geocache. I still haven't found it yet, but I got distracted by the most amazing thing. Okay, I'm gonna go find this geocache now. I'm right in ground zero. I just don't know where exactly it is. Ta-da! Oh no, I don't have a pen with me. I was looking in the wrong spot the whole time. Okay, now I'm going back. Gotta ride the swing a couple times, I can't help it. Thank y'all so much for watching today's video. Make sure to subscribe for more adventures like this. Oh my gosh, I love this so much. I'll see y'all next time. Bye!